Okay everyone, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are painting the brake calipers on the 86 today. Matt is also doing a few bits to the MX-5, which yeah, is down there. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll see why he's under there doing it. There'll probably be pictures of that up soon enough anyway. Probably pictures of the calipers as well before the video's up. But yeah, obviously we've already got the car up, got the wheel off. Now going to give the caliper a quick clean first, then onto the paint. So yeah, let's get started with that. Just going to cut into something here that I've just discovered we're talking about, because obviously we know that the Toyota was done with Subaru and Toyota, but most things usually say both names on it, but the calipers do not. As you might be able to see in the lighting, this is just Subaru. So just Subaru were in charge of the brakes, I'm guessing then. Yeah, rear-wheel drive rally car. We always said with the height of the car it basically is, isn't it? Yeah, that's the finished product on the front. Now got the rears up, just cleaned them off and again painted now. But yeah, as you can see, I've gone for yellow, a bit different from the red and mattes. Gives me slightly less power than you get on the red, but the advantage I've got is that yellow is obviously lighter than red, so power to weight wise it works out quite well. Should make for some interesting battles on track, shouldn't it, Matt? Yeah, so obviously he's got a lighter car, so I've had to go for some lighter paint just to help even it out, even though he's gaining the power back on me. So it should be very evenly matched cars obviously when we get around to it. So yeah, anyway, let's go and paint the rear ones.
So a quick recap on what to do. You spray it down with some brake cleaner.
All credit as well, this all came with
the kit, yeah,
with the paint,
which is really good.
Brush, cleaner, paint.
So give it a good spray down.
We've got loads left, so
that's fine. Now grab your wire brush and wire brush any of the bits. To be fair, depending on how old or new your brakes are.
Yeah, there's not too much to these.
You know, if you had a 1991 MX-5, you're probably better off just buying brakes from a different car, which is what I did.
Yeah. Also, we're filming this last one because Matt's finally free from his old Rusty.
It looks good though. It looks good. My Rusty, don't call it Rusty.
You took a while to catch on to that one.
Cute.
I was waiting for you to say something straight away.
No, that's it, we're not friends anymore.
Yeah? Okay.
You know how easy it is to put coilovers in your car? Oh my fucking god. It's literally the same bolts as Jordan had.
Yeah. Was it easy as well then?
Yeah.
Do you have spring compressors then? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't think you had any of those.
Yeah, I had spring compressors. Now, once you are lovely and clean, and lovely it is.
Oh, nice Subaru calipers.
Yep. Double do. You grab your lovely yellow paint. Obviously you can do whichever colour you want, but as George explained earlier, it's better to go with red or yellow.
Depending whether you're going for power or lightweight.
Yeah.
Or green's quite good for off-road, I've heard.
Yeah,
grip.
yeah, I get that. How much was the kit anyway?
I believe it was around £15 to £20, although I did get this over a year ago, because originally this was for the MX-5 Mark II that we had on the channel.
Which got drove into and then you sold.
Yeah.
The coupe.
Yep. And now I'm on to another car since then, and we're finally using it. And that's just the simple basic painting.
Now you just paint happy trees, right?
Yes, we just paint happy trees. Happy trees.
Happy trees, happy clouds.
But yeah, obviously we're doing a paint kit as well, like this, with the brush instead of a spray, because it's just a lot easier.
And it's better to use a kit. I've always found that it's better to use paint, like brush paint, than spray. because if you spray paint, it doesn't come out as bright. So spray paint's great for just doing a black overcoat, something like that, to just keep them clean and out of the way. But if you want them to be bright and obnoxious and yellow, then use a brush. Same with if you're using red.
But yeah, that is all 4 of them finally done. Been waiting on this quite a while, as we said. Had this paint for it since what, over a year ago when we had the MX-5, the Mark II. So yeah, it's been a long time coming, but they're looking really good. The red, the yellow just works really nicely. I think going red and red would be far too much, so it just contrasts with it really nicely. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'll probably at some point in the future go over with another coat just to be sure, and I've got some little TRD stickers for it, so they're going to look good. But yeah, nice little quick easy mod for you. Car's getting there, and it looks, there's still a lot to go on it, but yeah, make sure you subscribe so you keep up to date on everything coming with this, as well as all the other cars. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Finally using this stuff after what, over a year I've probably had it?
Yeah, pretty much. You originally brought it for a different car, so...
Originally brought it 2 cars ago.
Oh shit, yeah, that's true.
Because I originally brought this for the MX-5.
Yeah.